Hey assholes, it's me again. Sorry I've been gone for so long. It's been a little hectic and busy over here. Let's get into it. You know the deal. Oh, fuck. And let's do it. I don't miss this. Gonna get better. That's my New Year's resolution. To get better. Oh, fuck. It burns. Oh, wow. Ew. Ugh. Fuck. Oh, that sucked. Okay. Love you. Bye.